Hey guys, today we're gonna try Pusher by Waves. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're gonna start by adjusting our stereo image, put that to 3. I would like to push our highs to 4. We'll increase our dynamic punch to about 3, and we'll push our focus to around 4, and we'll increase our magic dial to 2.5. Let's listen to how it sounds now. Before. After. Next, we're going to set our mode to limit, push our dial to 2.8. We will set our key and we'll increase our low end to 3 and our body to 2.5. Let's listen to how it sounds. Here is again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.